My name is Intan Alisa binti Muhammad Azhar. My matrix number is 2020984329 and I'm from class JBA 1113B. Today I will present about case study 1.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Natasha binti Hakim. My ID student is 2020-957-147. I'm from JBA 1113B and my subject for this presentation is creative and critical thinking. I would like to present my case study, which is case 1.
Summary of the case. The real problem in this case is came from his sales representative with an important customer, which is from Good Health Hospital. An important customer complained to Mr. Nataraj that Mr. Bhavat was ineffective and insisted he be removed. Mr. Nataraj, who are responsible in this problem. The solution is Mr. Nataraj do not want dismissing Mr. Bhavan because the track record of him was good and he was liked within the company. Moreover, it will affect the morale of the workforce if Mr. Nataraj transferring him to a new region. Advantage on this solution is Mr. Bhavan be able to raise the image of Alpha PVT Ltd company. As a result, he can get many new clients for his company. For its disadvantage is Mr. Bhavan will lower sales performance and make it difficult to get new clients in the future.
Another comment on the case for the solution is hold meetings to discuss and present on employee performance. So the advantage of the solution is to be more professional in work and not involve personal problems between employees and employers. The disadvantage is it will be slandered and accused without proof. Proof is important for who is slandered from people accused the slander. Other than that, the solution is moved to a new territory. The advantage is they can travel to another place so that thing didn't happen that result in a person performance being damaged. For the disadvantage is it will cause the record to be bad and disliked by the employer. When people dislike us, we can get more problems even though we do not do wrong thing. Last but not least is give the last claim for the hospital so that there is no dispute. The advantage is to be able to resolve problems quickly between the regional manager and the hospital, and the disadvantage is not allowed to continue doing business in the hospital. For the last of this presentation is solution of what we choose and why we choose. I would like to choose the second one, which is just hold meetings to discuss and present on employee performance. Why? It is because there is no understanding between the employer and employee. Therefore, it can cause the performance of the hospital or company to decline if the other party finds out about things that are considered personal in work. Lastly, we must avoid negative things in order to prevent from all cons.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ala binti Muhammad Azrin. My number matric is 2020-950719. I am from class JBA 113B. Today I will present about case 2.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fariha binti Nasharuddin and I'm from class JBA 113B and my student ID is 2020973393. Today I will present about case 2.
Okay, let's start with the summary of the case study that we got in the case 2. Okay, the point we got in the case 2 is the real problem in the case of the Sarah is responsibility in charge to help the children in Papua New Guinea who they are having a difficult getting a good nutrition food. This is because the children risk of malnutrition and starvation. Okay, the next slide is their education minister will slow down the operation with NGO who want to provide food grains and powder milk. This is because the product is from London and they want to take a granted with hope for get a Burberry. Okay, then last point for the summary of the case, Sarah sent the email to the executive committee in London to expect the food supply before the monsoon come. The next slide for the study case is comment on the case 2. The first one is do the human right law. This such example like do meeting with the both country, and the advantage is both country will having approve from each other in a good way, and the advantage of the comment about the study is possibility if one of the country will not agree and it will become the cause of the fight.
The second comment on the case is sign a petition. Sarah can collect the sign of the petition from random people as much as she can. The good side from this is Sarah will gain more support from donors, otherwise we'll have more donation to bring together and government will consider it. But there are the disadvantages, which is Sarah might be compounded from the government by doing that random petition.
The last but not least is the NGO need collaboration with Transparency International or private donor in order to fight corruption. The advantage is Sarah will have more strong supportive reason and the world proof to prevent from the corruption, and the advantage from the comment is Education Minister will angry and plan will become unacceptable.
The best solution for Sarah is Executive Committee need to deal with international cooperation or Transparency International to fight the corruption effectively. It is because this way is extremely important to prevent corruption activities so that the food can through to the people just easily.